So, doing these headlights, this is how they're looking now. Bit of wind, just getting everything there so I can show you what I was using. Buffer, polish, protector at the end, drill. Hopefully it won't take long, and I'll show you the end result. So first I'm going to clean them, then I'm going to go, I think it's 800, 1000, 1500 and then 3000. Yeah, and then I'll get that done. Gotta finish that, just the cleaning part, both sides. And I'm going to start with a sander. I've just got to mask and tape it up on the edges, and then hit it with each grit, and then I'll show you the end result after, well, before I put the protect. And this is how they ended up turning out. So obviously we have before and after. They're coming up pretty good. They've still got to dry up, and then maybe they'll be even clearer. But that was the difference after